Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk. In today's short video I'll be showing you how to plant out bunny tails. Bunny tail grass grows well in a full sun or partial shade position. They also prefer sandy soil, so if you would like to add any sand to your soil you can do this. I'm digging out a planting hole bigger than the pot and then placing in my bunny tail plant. First, put some compost in the bottom and mix this with sand if you have any. Take the bunny tail plant out of its original pot and place into the planting hole. Then cover over with more compost and sand. Make sure to water your bunny tail plant in, as this will help the roots establish. Allow this plant to dry out before further watering, as it doesn't like to have wet soil.